Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start exercise 9.3 from your book ML Agarwal. For the previous part, that means 9.1, 9.2, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here in sum number 1, a farmer can reap a field in 10 days while his wife can do it in 8 days. If they work together, in how much time can they reap the field? So as here a farmer can reap the field in 10 days. Okay, that means in one day the farmer can reap 1 by 10. Okay, in one day the farmer can reap 1 by 10 part of field. Okay, and as well as in one day his wife can reap 1 by 8 part of field. So now if they work together, okay, if they work together, then you have to add this 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8. So they together can reap 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8 part. So whenever you want to find out the work together, then first you have to find out in one day's part and then you have to add this to 1. So here 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8, it will be here 9 by 40 part. Okay, that means 9 by 40 part of field can reap in one day. Okay, and you have to reap the whole field, that means whole one part. So you can write down in this way. So 9 by 40 part of field reap by reap in one day. So one part of field, one part means whole part, reap in 40 by 9 days. Okay, 40 by 9 days, that is your answer. Now next one, number 2. A can do 1 by 5th of a certain work in 2 days and B can do 2/3 of it in 8 days. So that means again you have to find out A's 1 day work. So here is 1 day work. As here 1/5 of a certain work in 10 days, in 2 days, that means it will be here half into 1 by 5th, that means 1 by 10 part. And B's 1 day work, that equal to here 2/3 of its 8 days, so it will be here 1 by 8 into 2/3, and that equal to here 1 by 12 part. In how much time can they together complete the work? So 1 day's work of A and B. Okay, 1 day's work of A and B, that equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 part, and that equal to here 60 as the LCM. So 6 plus 5, that equal to 11 by 60 part. Okay, that means 11 by 60 part of work can be done by A and B in one day. So if they complete the whole work, so A and B can complete the whole work in in 60 by 11 days. Okay, so A and B can complete the whole work in 60 by 11 days. Now next one, number 3. In number 3, one tap fills a tank in 20 minutes, another tap fills it in 12 minutes. Okay, suppose the first one is tap A and the second one is tap B. So A tap can fill 1 by 20 part of tank in 1 minute, as well as B tap can fill here 1 by 12 part of tank in 1 minute. Clear? The tank being empty, and if both taps are opened together, in how many minutes the tank will be full? So that means here in 1 minute A plus B tap can fill here 1 by 20 plus 1 by 12. So that equal to, first to find out here the LCM, it's 60. It will be here 3 plus 5. That means that equal to 8 by 60. Okay, so 8 by 60 part of tank. Okay, so now 8 by 60 part of tank filled in 1 minute. Then one part, that means whole part of tank filled in 60 by 8 minute. Okay, 60 by 8 minute, or you can also write down this one as 30 by 4. Again cancel out, it's 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 minute as your answer. Now next, sum number 4. In sum number 4, A can do a work in 6 days, B can do it in 8 days. They work together for 2 days and then B left the work. How many days will A require to finish the work? That means first you have to find out in 2 days. Okay, first you have to find out the amount of work or the part of work in 2 days by A and B. So here is 1 day work. Is 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 6 part, and B's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 8 part. So now if they work together, so A plus B both 1 day work, that equal to here 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8, and here that equal 24. So 6 4 and 8 3, that equal to 7 by 24 part. So A plus B 2 days work, that equal to 2 into 7 by 24. So it will be here 7 by 12 part. Now B left out. So that means first you have to find out the remaining work. So here the remaining work equal to 1 minus 7 by 12, and that equal to 5 by 12 part. Clear? So that means that 5 by 12 part done by A. So as you know, here A 1 by 6 part done by A in 1 day. Okay, 1 by 6 part done by A in 1 day. So now you can write in this way that 1 by 6 part of work done by A in 1 day. Then 1 part of work done by A in 6 days, and then 5 by 12 part of work done by A in 6 into 5 by 12. So here 2, that means 5 by 2 days. Okay, 5 by 2 days. So your final answer is 5 by 2 days. Now next, sum number 5. A can do a piece of work in 40 days. He works at it for 8 days and B finishes the remaining work in 16 days. How long will it take to complete the work if they do together? So as here, the first one, A can do of work, the piece of work in 40 days. So you can easily write down here is 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 40. Okay, is 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 40. Now here A works at it for 8 days. So you can easily find out is 8 days work, that equal to 8 by 40. Okay, that means 1 by 5th part of work. So A complete 1 by 5th part of work in 8 days. So that means here the remaining work, that equal to 1 minus 1 by 5, and that equal to 4 by 5 part. Now that 4 by 5 part complete by B in 16 days. Okay. So here 4 by 5th part completed by B in 16 days. Okay. Then one part completed by B in 16 into here 5 by 4 days. So that equal to here 20 days. That means here B's 1 day work equal to 1 by 20. So as here A's 1 day work, that is 1 by 40, B's 1 day work 1 by 20. Now if they work together, so A plus B 1 day's work, that equal to 1 by 40 plus 1 by 20. Okay, and that equal to, you can write down 3 by 40. So 3 by 40 part of work done by A plus B in 1 day. Now if they work together, okay, if they work together, then total work, that means one part, total work done by A plus B in 40 by 3 days. Okay, in 40 by 3 days. That is your answer. Now the next one, sum number 6. In sum number 6, A and B separately do a work in 10 days and 15 days respectively. They work together for some days. A completed the remaining work in 5 days. For how many days had A and B worked together? So first if write down here A's 1 day work, that equal to here 1 by 10, B's 1 day work, that equal to 1 by 15. Okay, now here and B, A and B 1 day's work, that equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Okay, so as here 1 by d plus 1 by 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, that equal to here 30 as LCM. So 3 plus 2, that means 5 by 30, that means 1 by 6 part. Okay, now here the remaining work completed by A in 5 days, and you know that in 10 days, in 10 days A can complete one part of work. So definitely in 5 days A can complete half part of work. Okay, so that means here A and B together complete 1 by 6 part, and after that A complete 5 days in half part. Okay, that means here the remaining part, that means 1 minus half, so half part of work. Okay, half part of work completed by A and B, completed by A and B in how many days? So you can write down here half part of work completed by A and B together in 1 by 6, sorry, it's 1 by 2 as half part. So 1 by 2 then into 6, because as here A plus B's 1 day's work is 1 by 6 part. So it will be here half into 1 by 6, and that equal to 3 days. So your answer will be 3 days. Now the last sum, sum number 7. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel because I need your support. So as here in sum number 7, if 3 women or 5 girls take 17 days to complete a piece of work, how long will 7 women and 11 girls? So as here first one, 3 women that equal to 5 girls. So you have to write down here 3 women that equal to 5 girls. Okay, then 1 woman that equal to 5 by 3 girls. And how many women are there total? 7. So 7 women that equal to 5 into 7 by 3, and that equal to 35 by 3 girls. Now here the total number of girls here, 7 women plus 11 girls. So that means here 35 by 3 plus 11. Okay, and that equal to 68 by 3 girls at last. So now here 5 girls can complete the work in 17 days. Okay, then one girl can complete the work in 17 into 5 days. Okay, and how many girls are there? 68 by 3 girls can complete the work. Here 17 into 5 divided by 68, and here it's 3. Clear? So your answer will be here 15 by 4 days. So 15 by 4 days is your answer.